Hello to my vlog, guys. Today we are unboxing my new Halo Infinite game for the Xbox Series X and Xbox One. So yeah, cannot wait to open this. So let's just get into it. There we go, guys. And there's the game, the disc. I did want the steelbook of this, but the steelbook was not available. So yeah, I had to get this one for 18 quid. So yeah, really nice, it really is. And yeah, cannot wait to play this on my Series X. So yeah, please subscribe and like to see some more. And bye guys, bye.